Okay, so moving on to our next example. So, kanina yung example natin is difference of two cubes. Ngayon naman is sum of two cubes. Bakit sum? Kasi plus po yung fundamental operation na inilagay natin or addition. Okay, kaya sinasabi natin siyang sum of two cubes. Okay? And then, eto, madali lang din to. Huwag kayo malito, no? Kagaya lang din ng process kanina. Okay? So, the first step is to express each term to the power of 3. Or, pwede din namang kuhanin mo lang yung cube root nitong dalawang to. Para makuha mo si A tsaka si B. Para ma-substitute mo siya dito sa ating form na nakalagay dito sa taas. Okay? So, definitely, ganun lang talaga siya kasimple. Medyo nakakalito lang kasi madaming numbers, madaming sign, addition, subtraction. But then again, kayang-kaya nito. Okay? So, first step is to get or express this the power of 3. Okay? So, kuhanin lang natin to. Lagay lang tayo dito ng 3 plus 3. Okay? So, we have here 8 raised to 6. Okay? So, when we express 8 to the power of 3, or kapag kinuha natin ang cube root ng 8, that is, of course, 2. Kasi, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. Tatlong beses nating minultiply ang 2, the answer is 8. Therefore, 8 is a perfect cube. Right? And then, itong si A, ayan, kunin lang natin to. What are we going to do is i-divide mo lang itong exponent. Ito yung tip ha, para mas madali kayong makapag-express ng mga exponents, no? 6 divided by 3. So, may tawag dito eh. So, kung familiar kayo sa power rule ng the law of exponent, ganito lang yon kadali, no? So, kailangan alam nyo din yon. Ilalagay ko dito sa taas yung link na tutorial ko about the law of exponent. Power rule. So, i-divide mo lang to. 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Therefore, dito mo yan nilalagay. Kasi nga, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Kasi tatlong beses mo sila yung multiply, di ba? A squared times A squared times A squared, that is 8 raised to 6. Kasi 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, di ba? Kapag magta-times tayo or mag-multiply ng exponent or variable ng exponent, we're just going to add the exponent. Kaya A raised to 6 yan. A raised to 6 yung hinahanap natin. So, that is how are we going to express it to the power of 3, or how are we going to get the cube root of each number or terms na mayroon sa given. Okay? So, si 27, kung alam niyo yung pinaka-root or cube root ni 27, of course, that is 3. Kasi 3 raised to 3 is 27. Right? So, kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo na kailangan alam niyo din kung paano ba nagwo-work si perfect cube. Okay? So, maglalagay ako dito ng list ng perfect cubes. Ayan. So, para may idea kayo kung ano-ano ba yung mga numbers na mayroong perfect cube. Basta lang naman numbers na i-multiply mo tatlong beses. Yung sagot doon, that is a perfect cube. And yung pinaka-root niya is yung number itself na minultiply nyo ng tatlong beses. Okay? So, therefore, ito na yung ating A and ito yung B. So, syempre, hindi nakasali si 3. Hindi nakasali si 3. That is 2A squared tsaka 3. And then, ilagay lang natin ito dito sa ating factored form ng sum of two cubes. Ito. And then, we have A plus B. So, ang ating A is 2A squared. Add lang natin. Plus, ano ba ang ating B? That is 3. Ayan. Ito na yung first factor. Yung second factor natin is, of course, itong trinomial. Diba? So, square lang daw natin si first term or si letter A. So, that is 2A squared raised to 2. Ayan, kunin lang natin yan. Okay? So, huwag kayong malilito kung bakit may exponent of 2 pa din dito and dito. Kasi nga, yung ating nakuhang A is merong exponent of 2. And kailangan pa din natin siyang i-raise to 2 dito sa ating second factor. Okay? So, we have minus. Ayan. A times B. Multiply A to B. So, we have 2A squared times 3. Yan. And then, for the last term, we have B squared. Ang ating B ay 3. So, we have addition kasi plus yan. 3 squared or 3 raised to 2. And then what are you going to do is to just simplify. Okay? So, itong 2a squared plus 3, okay na yan. Hindi na natin yan isi-simplify. Ito yung ating first factor. Second factor, we have 2a squared raised to 2. Therefore, we're going to multiply 2a squared to itself 2 times. Therefore, 2a squared times 2a squared is 4a raised to 4. Kasi nga, 2 times 2 is 4. And then, copy mo lang si variable a. And then, 2 times 2 is 4, no? So, kailangan marunong din kayo sa law of exponent, no? So, this is sa power rule. Yan. Next, we have subtract 2a squared times 3. That is 6a squared. Okay? And then, plus 3 times 3 kasi we have 3 raised to 2. Of course, that is 9. Therefore, nakuha na natin yung tamang sagot which is the factored form of this polynomial in sum of 2 cubes is 2a squared plus 3 times 4a raised to 4 minus 6a raised to 2 plus 9. That is already the factored form of this polynomial. Okay? Ganun lang siya kasimple. So, para malaman natin kung tama to, you try to check it and then i-comment mo yung sagot mo sa ating comment section below and then I will check it. Okay? Okay, so for the last example na tayo, no? So, meron pa sana akong isa pang example, kaya lang medyo napuno na yung memory card natin, so hindi na kaya. Ito na lang, 1 plus x cube and y cube. Okay? So, syempre, same process lang. Kukunin lang natin yung cube root nitong dalawang terms natin, or you're just going to express it to the power of 3. So, we have 1 raised to 3. Why? Kasi 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1. Diba? Kaya, 1 raised to 3 is of course 1. And then, express lang natin yung xy to the power of 3. X raised to 3. So, 3 divided by 3, that is 1. Therefore, x na lang yan. And 3 divided by 3 is also 1. Therefore, y na lang yan. And then, of course, we have our a and b. 1 and xy, ang ating a and b. And then, of course, we're just going to substitute the value of a and b na nakuha natin to the rule itself or the form ng ating factoring polynomials with sum and difference of 2 cubes. So, dahil ito ay sum of 2 cubes, what are we going to do is to use this, right? So, we have a plus b. Ang ating a is 1 plus xy, kasi yung b natin ay xy, times a raised to 2. Ang ating a raised to 2 is 1 raised to 2 minus a times b. So, ang ating a is 1 times xy, alright, plus b raised to 2. Ang ating b is xy. So, we have to raise it to 2. Okay? And then, just simplify. No, so wala na tayong isi-simplify kay 1 plus xy. Ilagay na lang natin yan dyan. And then 1 times 1 or 1 squared is of course equal to 1. Minus 1 times xy is of course xy. Diba? Ayan. I-multiply nyo lang dyan. No? So palagi nyo lang tatandaan yung distributive property of equality or i-distribute nyo lang by means of multiplication. Okay? Plus xy raised to 2, that is x squared and y squared. Kasi nga, 1, yan, meron yan, automatic may exponent na 1 yan parehas, no? And 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 2 is 2, no? Kaya, meron tayong x squared and y squared. Therefore, the final answer is already this one. 1 plus xy times 1 minus xy plus x squared and y squared. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple ang pagfa-factor ng polynomials with sum and difference of 2 cubes. Alright? And that is all for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. And of course, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa akin on how to factor polynomials with sum and difference of two cubes. Okay? So, meron pa tayong lesson 4 and 5 about factoring polynomials. And sunod na lang sila dito sa lesson na to. After ko itong ma-upload, saka ko pa lang sila i-film. No? So, balikan nyo muna yung dalawang lesson na una before yung lesson natin ngayon para naman mas may better understanding kayo on how factoring polynomials works. Okay, so again, thank you so much everyone. And please huwag niyo kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like tong video, i-hit yung notification bell down below para naman palagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong ina-upload, mga bago nating tutorials dito sa ating YouTube channel. So always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. Again, this is me, Mariel, and see you on my next video. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.